Welcome to Steady Trading, and let's review our weekly chart. Right now what you are seeing is the Nasdaq 100 in the time frame, in weekly time frame. So this last week they all were excited because the market was going up and up and up. It was very bullish. So yes, indeed it was. There was a lot of volume, so we can see this chart first in daily. Look at this. And that these charts in daily from the Dow, the Nasdaq, and S&P 500. That's what I'm posting almost every day in my Instagram account. So look at this. On Monday or Tuesday, I think this green candle close above the moving average, the 50 moving average. That's the red line. And on Friday, that was yesterday, we had a red candle. Okay, we can see this. The trend line is downward, and we see this. We have higher highs, lower lows. So we can say, okay, the things are getting better. They're improving. The condition of the markets are looking good. So maybe yes, the fundamentals are not good. The inflation is hot, very hot. The risk of recession is high as well. So one can see this chart in the daily time frame, and one can assume, okay, maybe it's better. With this red candle, the signal is not that good. But when we have another approach of this Nasdaq 100 chart in a weekly time frame, look at this. We see this trend, this moving average, the 200 moving average, and this line actually acts as a resistance, in case as a support from the price. The price is at this downward sloping, and to here in this candle, as all that means 4 weeks ago made a good signal, and from then the other weeks they are like trying to get the price up. Okay, and finally this last week they broke this mini range and closed for the second time in 5 weeks above the 10 moving average, the blue line. So it's not certain what is going to happen. The volume from this weekly is above average, but it's not fantastic as well. Look at this volume, this bar, and this is above average. Okay, so we have to wait and see what will happen. If we change and we see the Dow, look at this Dow. The Dow, for the first time, look at it, for the first time in months, the Dow closed above the 10 moving average, this blue line. Volume is not good, it's not great. So we don't know yet what is going to happen. Maybe just a pullback to the moving average, and then it will route again. We have to wait and see. If we see the Dow in the daily time frame, the Dow already crossed the 50 moving average, this red line, and that was on Monday. I think that was this red candle was Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. It was in Tuesday, and yesterday the red candle formed and gave us a signal. So sorry, we have to wait and see. Okay, we are not there yet, in where we can say that the market is already in a bull market, in a confirmed bull market. Not yet, not even close. The S&P, on the other hand, we can see the S&P in the daily time frame and made the same move as the Nasdaq 100 and the Dow. We can see it in the weekly, in a weekly. Here's the S&P 500 in a weekly time frame, and look at this. This again is the same. The S&P 500 closed above the 10 moving average for the first time in months. Okay, this blue, sorry, I don't know why I keep saying blue. This green candle. Okay, so one can wonder, what can we do? Should we invest? Should we stay on the sidelines? Well, one have to be very careful. Okay, one has have to manage the risk very well. Tight stop loss and so, because the movements that can give them today are in the coming weeks could be erratic. A lot of seesaw and so. So right now, what I can say is stay safe out there and trade good. Wait for this rally to be confirmed. It's not We are not there yet. There are a lot of info and economic data that is coming out every week, and we'll have to wait. I think, in my opinion, we have to wait a little bit more in order to decide what to do. Please, if you like it, like the video, or dislike it, comment, subscribe. Okay, I will post every week a weekly chart review of the overall of the markets, the Nasdaq 100 or the S&P or the Dow. Okay, I hope this is helpful for you. Have a nice weekend.